Good morning, dear students and parents. Hope you all are safe and sound at home. Welcome you all in online teaching program by RAD Group of School. Student, we have already completed our block 13. Today we are going to start a new block number 15. So before going to start this topic, I want to ask one question to you. If all the students of your school want to go for a picnic, who will they ask and who will decide? Right, they will go to their class teacher, and the class teacher in turn will go to the principal to talk about this topic, and the principal will decide. Then he or she will plan about this picnic, when to go, where to go, how to go, with which teachers, and what things will be eaten by you. So all these things will be decided by the principal by with the help of some teachers. So all these things are decided by a group of people, right? So in school, who is solving out your problem? The teachers and the principal, means a group of people, right? Group of people, which groups? Like the teachers and the principal, they will sort out your problem. So student, what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is about the local governing bodies. Now again I want to ask one more question to you. Where do you live, student? In Haryana. Might you all are living, might be in Haryana only. Some students answer may be differ. Yes, student, you are living in Haryana. If I'm asking where do you live in Haryana, some student will say that ma'am, I'm living in Rohtak, I live in Gurgaon, I live in Jhajjar, and it is also there. Some students are living in villages also. Like some student can say, ma'am, I'm living in Talao, I live in Chuchakwas, and I live in Davla and in Silani. So these are some names of the villages. Okay, students, people who they are living in villages, if they are facing some problem, so who will sort out their problem? Just think about it. Who will sort out their problem? Right. Some group of people also there, like in school, as I talked with you, like the principal and the school, the class teacher help you out for your problems. In villages also there are some local governing bodies who they take care of and solving the problems of the villagers. So what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is Gram Panchayat, and we are going to start block 15 lesson 3. And which are the keywords for today's class? Panchayat. What is the meaning of Panchayat? Panchayat is a group of people, more than 5, who they take care of the problems of the villagers. And what will be the resources for today's class, students? Content book, notebook and workbook. And student, what is our today's aim? Our today's aim is to explain the importance of local governing bodies in villages to solve the problems. So this is our today's aim, to explain the importance of local governing bodies in villages to solve problems. So student, we will explain the importance. What is the importance of the local governing bodies in the villages to solve the problem? Means local governing bodies कौन सी होती है villages में? As I have told you in the earlier also, like gram panchayat. ग्राम पंचायत is the local governing bodies in villages to solve the problem. Means जो गांव वालों की problems होती हैं उनको sort out करने के लिए local governing body जो होती है वो ग्राम पंचायत होती है. And what is their importance? Today we are going to learn about this. So student, now move to the activity part. I want to ask one question. In this, when you listen this term village, what comes in your mind? Think about it. Right. In my mind, when I listen this word village, in my mind comes the greenery of the village, the fields, the farms, the farmers, the cattle. So these things comes in my mind. And कच्चे रोड होते हैं गाँवों में, and the electricity problems also there in villages. So these things comes in my mind when I think about this term village. Students, in activity part today we will learn about some problems of the villages and who solves them. Student, in activity part we are going to read about some problems of the village Hasipur. Hasipur की कुछ problems के बारे में हम read out करने जा रहे हैं. Student, what will you do? It is a group activity. So what will you do? You can take help of your siblings and your parents. You will imagine yourself that you all are the panchayat. आप पंचायत हैं. And after reading this part, after reading the problems of the village Hasipur, you will find out the solution as a panchayat. Means पंचायत कैसे उसको sort out करेगी. You will try to find out the solutions. Students, open page number 37 of your content book. Problems in Hasipur. People in Hasipur do not have proper drinking water. They collect water from the river. The river water is dirty. They use the water to drink, bathe and kettle and wash utensils and clothes. Many people in the village got sick after drinking the dirty river water. There are no doctors in the villages to take care of the sick. The village people are worried and have come to the Gram Panchayat to get help. The Gram Panchayat is a group of people chosen by the villagers to solve problems in the villages. The Gram Panchayat is thinking about how to solve this problem. Can you help the Gram Panchayat? The student, just now you have read about the problems in Hasipur. So which problems they are facing? Many problems are given here. So student, you will discuss about all these problems as a panchayat. जैसे कि आप एक पंचायत हैं, आप पंचायत का पार्ट हैं. And how will you sort out these problems? Student, now move to the analysis part. I want to ask some questions which are based on the activity part. In activity part, you read the problems of Hasipur village. Student, my first question is, what problems are the people facing? The people who they are living in Hasipur village, which kind of problems are they facing? Think about it. Yes, the people who they are living in Hasipur, they don't have good drinking water. People drink dirty water of the river and are falling ill. There are no good doctors to treat the sick people. Next question, why do they want these problems solved? You think about it. Yes students, if these problems may continue, many more people will fall ill. Next question is, why do they want these problems solved? Why do they want these problems should be solved, students? Because if this may continue, many more people will fall ill, right? क्योंकि अगर वो dirty water को ही पीते रहे, so many more people will fall ill. बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं वो बीमार हो जाएंगे. And they don't have good doctors also in the village to treat the sick people, right students? So they want the solution for this problem. Next question is, who do they go to with their problems? Who do they go to with their problems? किसके पास जाते हैं वो? Right. They go to the village Gram Panchayat, whose duty is to help the people in the village, right? Because these people who they are in Panchayat, they are elected by the villagers, and what is their duty? It is their responsibility to take care of the problems, to take care of the needs and the problems of the villagers. So they go to the village Gram Panchayat to take the help. Next question, who can help villagers with their problems? The student, who can help the villagers, as I have told you earlier also, right? The Gram Panchayat help the villagers with their problem, and Gram Panchayat has people who are chosen by the villagers to help solve with their problems. Next question is, why should villagers have a panchayat? Why should they have a panchayat? What is the need of panchayat? Think about it. Because without a Gram Panchayat, people would not know how to solve their problems. Just as we would not go to any unknown person if we are hungry. Similarly, people in villages would not go to anyone else but the Panchayat. As the Panchayat, they are the people of the villages, and they know the actual problem of the villages, so they can sort out the problem. Gram Panchayat can understand the needs and the problems of their own village. Every panchayat has a sarpanch who is the head of this panchayat. So student, now through this diagram you can understand all the functions of Gram Panchayat. Look at this word web and observe it very carefully. Yes, what is actually a Gram Panchayat? Members chosen by villager. Means it is a group of people. Means Gram Panchayat is a group of people which are chosen by the villagers. Head of the Gram Panchayat is called the Sarpanch. Local governing body of villages. This is called the local governing body of villages. Gram Panchayat की functions लिखे हुए next. Understand problems of villages. This is its function. Gram Panchayat का function क्या है, क्या काम होता है उनका? To understand the problems of the villages. And next function, to solve problems on bad roads, hospitals, drinking water, etc. Means any kind of problems if the villagers are facing, they will try to sort out these problems. They will find out the solution for this. Now it is time for the higher order thinking question. Student, the question is this. What other kinds of help do you think people in villages may need from the panchayat? As we discussed as we discussed about some problems like the drinking water and the treatments, means the doctors or hospitality. So these problems we have already discussed. What other problems except than these which villages need help? Is which are the other problems, students, you can think about, right? The problems like the electricity problems, the hospitality, and good schools, good roads, and good drainage systems. Yes, students, now you can see on the screen like which for which problems they need help. Villages may need help for bad roads, they may need better schools, electricity and better seeds, and water for growing crops, and good drainage system also they want. Let's move to the reading section, student. Now open page number 38 of your content book. Local governing bodies. Here you can see in this picture we go to specific people for specific problems. Who takes care of you when you are hungry? Who takes care of you when you are ill? Our family takes care of us when we are hungry or when we are ill. When we have a problem in class, we go to our teachers, right? As we discussed in the first question in the beginning of the class. All our problems cannot be solved by everyone. There are different people to solve different problems and take care of our needs. Means if we are facing any kind of problem, for the specific problem we are going to the specific persons. Local bodies for solving problems. We need a group of people to solve bigger problems like water problems or garbage problems in our neighborhood. Similarly, there are groups of people who take care of villages, towns and cities. There are many villages, towns and cities in India. Each has its own problems and needs. There are different bodies that take care of these needs in villages, towns and cities. These are called local governing bodies. Means for cities, for towns and villages there are local governing bodies, and these are called the local governing bodies. In our neighborhood we are facing any kind of problem like the water problem, the garbage problem, electricity problem. We are going to the local governing bodies. They help and to solve these problems. Now move to page number 39. Role of the Gram Panchayat. As it was our today's topic, what is the role of the Gram Panchayat and what is the importance? What is the importance of the Gram Panchayat? Many people in India live in villages. Villages in India are smaller than cities. They usually have mud roads and that are not easy to travel on. These roads are not well connected to other roads. Some villages do not have bus services and people still travel by bullock carts. Bigger villages have a school, a small hospital and a post office, but sometimes do not have people to work in these places. People in villages need safe drinking water, good roads, schools, hospitals and electricity. There is a local governing body in each village. It is called the Gram Panchayat. It takes care of the needs of people in the villages. The Gram Panchayat is usually a group of people, a group of 5 or more members who are chosen by the people of the village. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the Sarpanch or Pradhan. The duty of the Gram Panchayat is to see that the village is clean, people get good drinking water, roads are in good condition, people have electricity, schools and hospitals work properly, and farmers can grow good crops. So all these works are responsibility of a Gram Panchayat. Means Gram Panchayat की responsibility होता है to take care of all these things, the drinking water, the electricity problems, for the hospitals and schools, and many other problems are also there. Here you can see in this picture, providing water for the paddy fields is taken care of by the Gram Panchayat. Means farms होते हैं, fields होते हैं, ज़्यादातर जो people हैं, जो village में रहने वाले लोगों का occupation क्या होता है, farming होता है, agriculture होता है. So for this they need water and it is Gram Panchayat's responsibility to provide water for their paddy fields. Now it is time to apply your knowledge. You will do S3, that is given on page number 37 in your workbook, and it must be completed within 10 minutes. Students, now open page number 37 of your workbook. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Yes, look at this picture, student. This is a road in Hasipur village. Question number 1. What problems do you see in this picture? Pick what you think is right. The road is bad and not easy for traveling. and there are no trees in the village. The students, you can find out the problem and you can tick on the correct answer. Next question, who can help make these roads better? How? As we discussed in the activity part and discussion part also, who will help them? How can they help? Question number 3. What other types of problems do people in villages face? Means either than this, which problems the villagers face in their villages? Yes, as we have discussed earlier also, so you will write your answers in this. Student, what is your today's homework? You will complete practice question number 4, 5 and 6. That is given on page number 42 in your content book. At last, students, let's summarize our today's topic. What is our today's topic? Gram Panchayat. And what was our aim? To explain the importance of a local governing bodies in villages to solve the problems. Yes, first of all, I want to ask who solve the problems in the villages? Gram Panchayat. So, what is their importance? Yes. Why these Gram Panchayats are important for the villages? As they help and they take care of the needs of the people and they sort out the problems if they are facing any problem. So, we have achieved our aim successfully, students. Be ready for next class, and resources for next class, your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.